Are you ready to revolutionize the way you create online courses? Introducing Coursify, the groundbreaking tool that harnesses the power of AI to help you create high-quality courses in minutes. With Coursify, gone are the days of spending hours crafting course content or struggling to come up with engaging materials. Our AI assistant, Sonia, does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's how it works. Simply log into the Coursify cloud-based app and enter a keyword related to your course topic. Sonia will then work her magic, generating a fully functional e-learning platform tailored to your niche, from course outlines and curriculum to videos, images, quizzes, and even a course chat system. Coursify covers it all. And the best part? You don't need any prior experience or technical skills to get started. Ready to take your online courses to the next level? Click the link in the description below to watch our full video tutorial on how to create online courses with AI.